You talk about Jerome Stilton, The Idea of Wimpy, Tom Gates, Captain Underpants, Percy Jackson, R.L. Stein, Harry Potter, Beast Quest, John Green, Enid Blyton, Jeffrey Archer, Amar Chitrakada, Tom Clancy, Cardboard Books, Stephen King, Moral Stories, Higgins Clark, Marvel Comics, Daniel Steele, Children Classic. We do have poems. We have classics, romance, Indian writing, fiction, non-fiction, self-help, spirituality, biography, mystery thriller, humor, business and marketing, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Hindi, Marathi, cookery. The variety of books and authors is vast. Hi, I'm Gangadharan. I run the library called Books Access at HSR Bangalore. It's a book which connects the imagination to reality. There wasn't any moon. Harold needed a moon for a walk in the moonlight. He draws it and then walks. So he builds what he wants. How I started this, the library is, my son was an avid reader, and when we moved out to a new locality, we didn't find a library there. So then the idea struck to me that hey, there is opportunity for library, and that's how I ended up buying this library. And it was September 2015 which I took this ownership of the library. And we had about 9,000 odd books at the library back then. And today we have about 20,000 books in the library.
My name is Chetan, and I joined here as a part-time worker. We started delivering the books recently due to COVID. So whenever the customer places on hold or orders a book, I'll keep them aside for the delivery guy. He'll pick the books and he'll go deliver. And then
we do quarantine the books for 4 days. So any book which is returned is kept in a room for 4 days without being disturbed.
To safeguard our readers. So basically that's my job.
I think I could quote one of the mentors for me in the library. Purnima ma'am, she tells, no book is a useless book. Everything has certain content and it is for us to digest it. So you cannot, you should not, if you were talking about a non-fiction section, you have to analyze each and everything and take it. It is not going to be you take it for granted, right? There is one section of people who are going to tell this is the way it is, and there is another section which is going to say this is the way it is. And unless you read both of it, you wouldn't know the full story. So, there is no good book or a bad book. You just read it. I can actually put all these together. That also, classics, just children classics. People chose us for that experience of bringing children to a physical library. But then the story is very different, the post-COVID. The number of people who are visiting the physical library is been very limited. But at the same time, there are people who are taking the books through the web front. The number of people who are using the web interface for requesting the book has increased many folds.
Books will always be there because the human race has evolved along with paper, no? As long as paper is there, books will be there. Hi, I'm Sharad, residing in HSR layout. I've been a member of Books Access for the last 4 years. My children extensively use the books from Books Access, and we've always found it to be an excellent place of learning. I've seen this evolve from merely a library into a learning center, which also teaches mathematics and other subjects to children. I've seen them learning guitar and other musical instruments.
Ever since I was in high school, I've read a lot of books, but I suddenly got detached because of technology and phone and everything. But I wanted to go back to reading.
Books are still books. I think Kindle, whatever you say, I think it's still I mean, I'm a passionate book reader, so for me Kindle is still, in case of an emergency I will go for it, but otherwise books. But what I say, what as a parents, what we do, I think kids will also follow it. So I mean, if we are sticking into the Kindle, maybe they will also stick to it. Otherwise, if we are onto the books, kids will also be on the books.
See, it is evolution, right? There was a time when we walked around wearing dhotis. Today we are walking around wearing jeans. Same way, you read books and then you will evolve into a Kindle, and after some time you will come back to books. So this is just an evolutionary phase.
No Kindle, never.
How much ever the technology gets better, the feel and the connect with the physical book, there are people who want that.
I'm Chetan, so I've been visiting here for almost 1.5 years, close to 2 years now.
I'm Tasneem.
Pick up a book that you like, whatever is that choice.
Now I'm looking for a book called Ikigai.
I think it all depends on the taste.
Discovering the CEO within.